Hello and welcome to my daily, this is not daily t-shirt design. Welcome, my name is David Samuje. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-shirt Design. Today is Monday, today is an upload day, so I'm going to make another t-shirt design for you. If you're just joining me for the first time, I want to really appreciate you guys. You guys have been amazing. We are getting there. 2,225 subscribers. Our aim is to get to 1,000 at the end of May. So please, if you know you've not hit the subscribe button and your subscribe button is still red, make sure you hit that. I will go straight right into it. For this, we're gonna open Canva Pro. Please, I will advise you to watch this video to the very end. Don't skip off of this video. You are here to learn something. I plead with you, please make sure you watch it to the very end. This is super important because you don't want to miss any single part of this design, so please make sure you watch to the very end. So without wasting much of your time, I'll just click on create design. I'm going to make this design super quick. So just click design. The standard is 4500 by 5400. This is it. Pixel, create a design. It's going to be super quick, so please don't click off. I will advise you to watch this particular one to the very end. It's super easy, not complicated. So now you just scroll down to where it says upload. Click on upload image or video. Then you go and look for your design. For me, my design is this tiger. You can see this tiger, which I did some tweaking to. I did some tweaking to the tiger. So as it loads, while it loads, I'm just going to go through the tiger and show you. This is the tiger. I added this patch. As you can see, if I turn it off, that's the other eye. So actually that's other eye, so I added that, you see. So I added that to it, as you can see. So I just tweaked it around and made my own design in Photoshop. So if this is something you're interested in, just let me know in the comment and I can show you step by step how I do this myself. So now this is what I did. This was my element. I created this element, and now for those of you who might not know how to use Photoshop, you might just find element on site like Flat Icon and just buy from stock images. Find all these images and you can use them for free for commercial use. But for me, I like to add a tweak to my design to make it unique and to make it catchy for people to want to buy on sites like Redbubble, TeePublic, and Teespring. So now that I've done that, I'll just go back and upload it into Canva. But one thing I must tell you is that using a trial version of Canva, you always get your design with the white background. I'm going to show you how to remove the white background once we are done with this design. The design, once it's uploaded, we'll just add our text and download it, and we can just go into Photoshop where I show you how to add my text. So please, I really appreciate my followers, people who have always watched me from day one. You guys are amazing. You guys always keep coming back to support me. I really appreciate you guys. For those that are just joining me, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys. And if you love to support the channel, you can just hit the support the channel button. Anything works. You can buy me coffee or anything. I really appreciate that. Hope you guys are staying safe. So now we have our design uploaded. So just click on it once. It's going to appear here, as you can see. So all I have to do now is just to increase it a bit. So to do that, I'll over my mouse to this edge or this edge. Just over your mouse to this edge and press your left mouse click button and drag outwards. Then make sure you position it. You see the yes, that line shows you in the middle. So you leave it there. Then now the next step for us will be to bring in our font, our text. And this one, we're just going to use something fancy, something catchy. So just scroll through and just find something catchy. Just something catchy we can use for this. Okay, I think I like this. So now with this, you can see there are 3 fonts in that. So I'm going to increase it like I showed you. Move my mouse to one of this edge, the circled edge. Press my left mouse click button, just drag outwards. So now we have those 3. So what I'm going to do is to ungroup them. As you can see, I have a lot of things to ungroup. So delete that. So I'll just delete all those. I don't need them. or should I say most of them I don't need. So you can just leave those remaining, then you undo, delete this, and you delete this. So now you're just left with this, so you can just double tap where it says that sales and just put in, say, Stripe. As easy as that. As easy as that. It says Stripe. So you just have that. Now I can just make it bigger. Just make it bigger. So we have that now. We just move this element so that it fits, as you can see, so that it fits properly. Just fits properly into this. So now that we have that, we just want to change the color of this. We want to change the color, so we just go to this where it shows this A with multiple colors. Then we can just change it to, just change it like that. Just change it like that. Then for the black, we just keep, can just, because you might want to have it on your black shirt, so you just have to keep changing this. Just have to keep changing this around. So just go do that for all, and go do that for all. Simple as that. Just do that for all. So this is a simple step. Please make sure you don't click off. Make sure you don't click off. Make sure you don't click off so that you don't miss any bit of it. Make sure you don't click off of it. You will not want to miss something. So we just go through and just pick colors randomly. So you get the drill. Just do that and you're good to go. You're good to go. So I'll just change this color, the final color, then I can move that back. So now that we have that, we just move this back to where it's supposed to be, there. So now we have that. We have that. So now all we have to do is, sorry, let me position this. Yes. All we have to do now is to just, you can see it's not looking positioned properly. It's not looking positioned properly, so I'll just move it a bit. So now all we have to do is just to, I'll move this tiger a bit. Yes. So now all we have to do is just to download it. As you can see, you can't download this right, but you need the paid version, so just click on download. I'm going to show you how to do that in Photoshop. Super easy, not time consuming. As you can see, we are just about 8 minutes into this design. Your design should not be complicated. Simple designs. Then once you're done, just upload it to sites like Redbubble, teespring, and you're good to go. Do this every single day with new designs. Have at least 150 designs. You can create 5 a day, 10 a day. Just have at least 150 and you're good to go. So this is our design. Now just right click, open Photoshop. Now what we're going to be doing here is to remove the white background. I'm going to be removing the white background here. So with this one, we just create a new, tab, a new layer. Click on this layer and just go in to where it said magic word, to this magic word stick. Just click on it, click on that, and just get the white off it by deleting it. And you come in here, delete that too, and delete that too, and you're good to go. Now you can just promote your designs on Instagram, Pinterest. But before you do that, you have to place it on a 3D mockup. If that's something you want to watch, make sure you watch my videos from my previous video, my playlist to your right, and you get the way to do that for yourself. Simple and easy. So that is it. Now we've removed the white background. We can save that and we'll have our design. Sorry about that. You can save that, and you have your design set for you. So you just click and you save that, and you're done. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Check to your right from playlists. Have a lovely day. Stay safe, my people.